When you're riding at night, you might notice your headlight beam isn't hitting the road where you need it. On the Zontes 310M scooter, adjusting the beam angle is genuinely quick. Just behind the headlight unit, accessible from the front, there's a small adjustment screw. If the beam is too high, turn that screw anti-clockwise to lower it. If it's too low, turn it clockwise to raise it. Keep the scooter upright, stand about 3 meters from a wall, and tweak the screw until the cutoff line sits just below your eye level. In under half a minute, your headlight is perfectly aligned for your local roads.